there, my name is Yong and today we're gonna be at the Art Resort Janderbike, Pahang. We are here today to explore the environment. So, looks like we're already here, shall we? Look guys, lucky us. Looks like we found ourselves some food. Okay guys, the technique that I'm gonna use to climb this coconut tree will take years of practice to perfect. So don't ever try this at home. So guys, the most important thing when opening a coconut is always use the correct techniques.
And so guys, this is how you open a coconut. Let's see how it tastes. It's delicious.
Coconut juice contains like nutrients and proteins, carbohydrates that can provide us with more than enough energy for the rest of the day. Coconut trees are actually originated from America, but now they are really common in Malaysia. These trees can yield up to 75 fruits per year. Coconut leaves have a pinnate shape. They can grow up to 4 to 6 meters long. The old leaves break away cleanly, leaving out the trunk smooth. As I was looking for shelter from the rain, look what I found. Bamboo tree. Cut! If you look closely, bamboo trees have some kind of fur. It is to keep away predators. If you touch it will make your body itchy. Really itchy. Bamboo trees are the fastest growing trees in the world. They can grow up to 25 meters in 24 hours. Crikey! A jackfruit! Oh my god! If you look here, we got ourselves a big one right here. You can actually smell the sweetness that's inside the jackfruit. And if you look right here, the leaves are covered in some kind of wax. They're like waxy and they're like itchy, and it's also sticky, you know, latex. Okay, now we have done all that. Now it is time to replenish my liquids with water. So let's have a first taste. Refreshing. So the water comes from the mountain tops up there, so it is fresh and cool.
Reduce usage of papers and recycle.
Teach the young. Spread public awareness.
Use biodegradable material.
Enforce the law.
Plant more trees.
Promote green technology.
Advertise benefits of bringing the wilderness to the city.